The question says that read the statement below carefully and state with reasons and examples if this is true or false. A particle in one-dimensional motion with zero speed at any instant may have non-zero acceleration at that instant. So let us consider a case here where a ball is being thrown upwards by a player, and we all know that it stops somewhere where it reaches the highest point. Its position doesn't increase any further. It means v equals to 0 at that instant. Still, now it will go downward, but still we have an acceleration acting downwards. It is a gravitational due to gravitational force, which is 9.8 meter per second square. So this statement with zero speed at any instant may have non-zero acceleration is true, as we have seen in this case. Now the second question is, with zero speed may have non-zero velocity. So speed is nothing but the magnitude of velocity vector, and with zero magnitude we can't have velocity either. So this is a false statement. Now in third question we have, with constant speed must have zero acceleration. This statement is true, but since this is a one-dimensional motion case, this statement has to be true, because there may be a second case where a ball, in an ideal case, let us say that a ball hits a particle hits a wall and rebounds with the same velocity in opposite direction. Here speed is going to be same, but the velocity direction has changed in a very short interval of time, which will result in a very high acceleration value, and that is going to be very unphysical. So we can say that speed still was constant, but acceleration existed there. But this unphysical acceleration can be neglected here, and this option is true for one-dimensional case also. Now in fourth option we have, with positive value of acceleration must be speeding up. So since acceleration is a vector quantity, we have a direction which depend upon axis. Let us assume that ball throwing case up in the case of like B in like A, when a player throws the ball upwards, and we assume that the positive axis is downward axis, and so when this ball is thrown upward and it then returns to downward direction, during the whole journey the acceleration was acting downward, and since downward direction is positive, so acceleration is going to be positive, even though the velocity still decreased when the ball moved upward. So this statement is false, claiming that velocity always increases when acceleration is positive. Thank you.